Are hot women really attracted to money? Or is it just an excuse poor guys tell themselves to justify the lack of women in their life? Well, the answer might shock you. I am finally going to answer the question, are hot women really attracted to money? The common misconception. Look, I'm so sick of guys whining and complaining that women only want money, saying that you need to be rich to get hot girls. That's fucking wrong. Allow me to explain. First of all, it's true that women only care about one thing, how you make her feel. It's not about the money. It's about how the guy with the money makes her feel. If you've ever heard me, you understand that the most influential thing in a woman's life, the thing she bases all of her decisions on, what car she buys, what neighborhood she lives in, and what guy she sleeps with, has to do with one thing, how safe and secure she feels. So let me ask you, do you think she will feel more secure with a guy that has lots of money or a guy that is flat broke? She obviously feels more secure with a guy that is well off. That's why women tend to look for guys with decent jobs. It's a more safe situation for her. Again, are hot women really attracted to money? No, they're attracted to men who make them feel secure. Even without money, you can make women feel secure. Now, that being said, if you are poor and stressed out about money, then she will feel very unsafe and stressed out, which releases the stress hormone cortisol, making it very difficult for her to get turned on and aroused. That's why girls are not typically attracted to guys with no money. But, as I said before, it's about how you make her feel. Just because a guy has money doesn't mean she will feel safe and secure. And I'm sure you've seen guys who are dead broke that do incredibly well with women. It's because they are secure about their money situation, have the attributes that make men attractive. Think of it like this. As a man, you probably want to sleep with beautiful women, particularly those with wide hips and big breasts, because instinctively it improves your chances of passing on your DNA and having healthy offspring. Well, a woman's instincts want a man that can keep her and her offspring safe and secure. So what's more important than having tons of money is having enough money to give her that security and having the attributes, body language, groundedness, and confidence that make her feel safe when she's with you. Speaking of attractive attributes, a man with money typically has attributes and traits that helped him acquire his wealth. These traits are also very attractive to women, yet most guys just see the money. Do you think these are traits that women find desirable? Of course they do. It's because they all influence her feeling of safety. So if she sees a man wearing an expensive suit, driving a Ferrari, she can safely assume that that man has many of the traits she desires. The good news is that if you are broke yet you still demonstrate these traits, it is possible for you to succeed with women. But if you are broke and showing no drive, direction, or dedication, and do just like to sit at home getting stoned, playing Dungeons and Dragons all day long, then most women will lose interests faster than a toupee in a hurricane. Let's break down two of these attributes: ambition, status. Ambition. Men with money usually have a lot of ambition, hence the reason they made their fortune. Women typically don't find men who sit around wasting their life all that hot. A woman wants a man who knows his path and purpose in life and is on a mission to accomplish it. So if you are working a dead-end job that you hate just to pay the bills, then it's time to reconsider. Stop playing it safe. Man up and take some risks. Stop asking questions like, are hot women really attracted to money? Or do I have any chances with hot women without money? And instead go out there and work on it yourself. Even if you haven't hit the big bucks yet, when you talk about your passion and purpose, women will find your ambition and enthusiasm highly attractive. As I said, I used to play in a band when I was younger, and I got a lot of girls, even though we were hardly famous, and we were in a lot of debt. But we had drive and ambition, and women like that. If you've asked yourself, are hot women really attracted to money? Then the answer is a plain and simple no. If you have a ton of money, but you have a scarcity mindset, and you are afraid you'll lose your money, then she won't feel safe either. She will still feel stressed out. You can be making pennies, but if the girl can see that you are 100% confident and secure in your future, then she will probably be attracted to you. For example, when I was a struggling musician, I was making no money. But I had passion, and I believed I was going to be a rock star. Yeah, I know, pretty funny. But I had confidence, drive, and determination. Even though I had no money, I made women feel safe because I had the attributes of someone who would become successful in the future. They don't see the core characteristics of the man, such as leadership, decisiveness, assertiveness, passion, dedication, intelligence, confidence, status, and influence. Status. Many men with money also have power, fame, and status. All female primates find status attractive. The high-status male in the mammal kingdom has better access to resources, which means more bananas for her and her offspring. But you don't need money to be high status. So, instead of flaunting your diamond necklace and gold-plated shoes or writing your number on the back of an atom receipt that you found in the trash, walk, talk, and act high status. Move slow and calm. Speak with authority and volume. Walk with purpose. Stand tall with your shoulders back. Make strong eye contact. Approach women with confidence instead of nervousness, and your high-status body language will make you appear more attractive to women. Are hot women really attracted to money? No. Don't make the excuse that women only want money, because this simply is not true. Work on making women feel safe around you. Demonstrate high-status body language, and have ambition and other qualities such as leadership, drive, passion, and guess what? With those characteristics, you will also probably make a lot of money. Are hot women really attracted to money? Well, the facts say they're into men who make them feel safe and secure. So it's not all about the money, guys. Keep that in mind. I'm out. Cheers. That's why you don't hear women raving about the richest men in the world. Even though they have access to more resources, they don't look or act like high-status men.